In this question, we're going to ask somebody what day it is. So we're going to start off with Céin lá atá ann inniu. What day is it today? And then you respond with inniu on, and you choose one of the days. So you can choose on Luan, which is Monday, on Mháirt is Tuesday, on Céidín is Wednesday, on Déirdín is Thursday, on Ina is Friday, on Saturn, looks like Saturday, and on Downach is Sunday. Then the second question is Céin lá a bhí ann inné. What day was it yesterday? And you tell them what day it was yesterday by saying on whatever day a bhí ann inné. So here's an example. Céin lá atá ann inniu. You choose your answer. Inniu on Luan. Today is on Luan. Today is Monday. Céin lá a bhí ann inné. What day was it yesterday? And then you choose a day. On Downach a bhí ann inné. It was Sunday yesterday. So find somebody now to practice that with and ask them the question, and then get them to give you the answer, and then swap around, get them to ask the question and you give the answer.